Ladies and gentlemen, you are welcome to your favorite and amazing entertainment program, Entertainment Daily, here on TV UCC, where we give you the latest, the trendiest, and the juiciest gist in your world of entertainment. My name is Elijah. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, and share this video. In today's story, Ghana music lacks unity. This is coming from musician Opanka. We face a lot of struggles. This is also coming from Sista Afia. And with our final story, Lilwin is my greatest enemy. This is coming from Oboy Siki. Stick with us, we would be right back. Welcome back from this break. Let's delve deep into the details of these stories. So Ghanaian musician Opanka, in an interview with Accra FM's Nana Romeo, has made some revelations. During an interview with Nana Romeo yesterday, Nana Romeo disclosed that almost every artist in the Grammy category that Tems won, which is the African Music Performance category, congratulated Tems. Even the president of Nigeria has congratulated Tems. But he asked Opanka that, is there a unity in the Ghanaian music industry? Opanka has disclosed that there is no unity in the Ghanaian music industry. In times where musicians get to win awards internationally, you have only a handful of musicians or people in Ghana congratulating the person. There has never been a situation where a president in Ghana has congratulated a musician over an award win internationally. So he believes very much that people who even congratulate their fellow musicians or celebrities on winning an achievement usually do so just for their numbers and just for fans. But internally, they do not wish the person well. These are part of all the things that Opanka said during the interview. Guys, let's go watch the video.
The truth is, your colleague keke pewasem, and so on pewasem, but on no best keke. So it's so many reasons. Obisu or hokrana sometimes a numino or who say numino suseno, ebia only vibe or the man numino. Right? Ebia beat own to me and of feel say ebia one medan or nyom no so that dancer na the boy yen obe ebia crown to me. In a ye will be so ho ebia na onye inspired. Enyom no ebia nye ne de ana onya inspiration. And also ho. And you will be so so sometimes that moment what he or she is going through right? Ebia no go through problems with depression. Yeah, the obi so also are busy. So many reasons are yes moving forward let's say to me catch whatever reason it is. Mimi mostly uya minyanko pa just say ebia unya minyanko na say mimi ba uya nipa. I will give you that due and that respect and whatever is happening I'll let you know. Ebia my busy oh Romeo Charlie my tight into opa so bet me train 3 months. That's it. Simple and actually what I'm going through now no pressure being Charlie it's simple. Now if no crack can ye dey my pa.
Don't you think say sa normal we nyina ka ho na ma ye music ne ba still na no nkrophobia de yadim de bia because sabi de bia ya kan ho ahwa say alatafo besua ye wa ha and they know say how life near afrobeat ni nyina no do na no they started it from here. I mean omo nananom so besua wa no de koye but now no ye na de ne ye de no ye hete wa ma de ono besua no ene omo de Grammys na lady the terms Grammys no Davido a congratulating no. I mean name them Yemi Alademu to the sense a whole president, Nigerian president Krampo no a congratulating no. How many times ena Ghana ha ye hu say ye nua e furu dua pa ye gina ase krabo ye nsem ka say you are doing well. Don't you think say ye suban wintina ya gusu baby we yana?
I know, I don't just think ye suban wintina ya kechiri in kabum eni hanomo. Right, and one thing about your music, and say, and I make earlier, you pay your handsome. That congratulations now can most of us in the Quran say, you must be winning, be say, your congratulations now, just to show the public or the fans, and they say, you don't know, but the truth is, and right. And one thing I've realized in life, and they say, nipe biano, and hoya we mu, wa hoya we mu, Miss Ebi we mu. obi anya yanko ono no successful no be succeed but one thing and maturity ne so chere say ahonya wo mu mpo na say wo nana Romeo say wo wini a ese be de me maturity cover that ahonya na me pick inspiration from you me who say wo so wini a it is possible say wo crowd chere say it is possible say I can win. I can only be the person to win always in life but na you real feel sad and dey bia ye dwen say yen kwa na yen win say wo wini a na eye me ya and ye pe ade bi say dey bia ye pe say yen ye the first person to set some record. In this, I know Nam Krana, I know the same industry now. You be Krana, me because I wish I will be. Opanka is the first artist to go do this. In this, Romeo Kowini Grammy, because Minyanka, it will be Opanka is the first Ghanaian artist to win. But me who says I always first artist to do this. It kills the dream, it kills the goal, it kills the unity. Nigeria say but then the love is more. They understand the game. But one or two things we realize outside and say even when it comes to shows, Ghana show, now Nigerian show, difference, you know. Ghana no sebe just a group of Ghanaians level be.
Guys, what do you make of these assertions by Opanka? Let's move on to our next story. Ghanaian musician Sista Afia, in an interview with Ola Michael of the NIT FM Entertainment Ghana show, has also made some revelations. She made some revelations of the struggles she comes across as a female musician in Ghana. So during the show, she discloses that there are a lot of things hindering the development and promotion of female musicians in Ghana. That is how come they have not been able to stay toe-to-toe with their fellow musicians in Ghana. She has said that there have been a lot of controversies surrounding the female musicians in Ghana, mainly because if they are friends with any big man or any man, it turns out that they are in a relationship with the person. Sometimes they are just in normal friendship or just acquaintance relationship with these guys, and it's in the media that they are sleeping around, among other things. She also cited the second instance where she goes to people for help and all they say is that they want to sleep with her or they want to have a relationship with her before they help her out, before they help her promote her music. Guys, let's go watch this video.
I kind of say, because one, me say, I cannot even mingle with another guy for that long. Because when I mingle, the notion is say, real. Exactly. Am I timid? I mean, am I let me see your home? What I say? Maybe I'll bet me on the remember godfathers. By any shade any godfathers are. Okay, a godfather pay.
We sugar daddy.
Exactly. Inti ama esrobi woyemu. And for while private sick, no person preventing you maybe and some stories going out there. I didn't know because most of the things that I'm talking about, most of them are speculations. And then in Niana, no crap. Meet me no land and see. What's some in Sakeke? Or meet me up say, hey, me who is Olano? What's so if you answer can coin?
And again,
exactly. And no so can and Uncle Baby so. Omo person more reach out and some person more boawa. No credit back up. Mema. Ombeka say, oh, if I like you, I want to help you with this. They don't say I want to help you, not like na but Omoka like na sana help. Until now, I say
just start with I like you.
Yes, I want to support you.
I want to help and support you.
Yes.
The moment I like na bani dear.
Yes.
Red flag about.
Exactly. Until now, I've always been consistent and independent because me are very careful with those areas. No.
Guys, what do you make of these assertions by Sista Afia? Let's move on to our final story. Veteran actor Oboy Siki discloses in an interview on the Royal TV show on YouTube that fellow Ghanaian actor Lilwin is his greatest enemy. He says that this comes about as Lilwin lets the police come after him. He knows that quite recently he was in some frictions with Lilwin, but he doesn't understand why Lilwin will let police come after him. So he believes that even if Lilwin is to die today, he'll be very happy with it because he doesn't like Lilwin at all. Guys, let's go watch the video.
And also a police for my baby me ho. Mugacho.
Mini kunya banta kesi. No so on pen tokwa.
Na say no ye police dey say atletine.
Na be che say. No see afiwe on pen tokwa.
Eno ye atletine.
What the time for wo wi ase mame. Intimi.
What time for no?
Yes.
What time?
What the police e bad in chair. Nature say wo no. Wo ya me time for kesi.
What time le win?
Wo wu le. Make you build it. I'm telling you.
We're serious. We're very preposterous.
Papa, we are not in other.
Say, we can say, well, pass me, see, we are.
Guys, do you think he was right in saying such things on social media? Do you think he was right in saying such things on social media? Guys, let's have your comments on this. That will be all for today. I am Elijah. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, and share this video. Have a nice day.